Hello everyone, my name is Neha, and in this lecture tutorial I'm going to show you how to write the LabVIEW data to a spreadsheet file. We are going to focus on how to put the data into the LabVIEW from another program and out of LabVIEW for use in another program. So LabVIEW uses text files, and LabVIEW provides three functions to write the text files. The first one is write to text files, which uses the single values but not for arrays or matrices. Second one is write to spreadsheet files, which uses 1D or 2D arrays or matrices. Third is write to measurement files, which used to send acquired data, for example your waveforms, into a text files. So we're going to see how we can basically write the program and create the text files, and that text file you can open it up using the Excel also, but LabVIEW does not create the text file using .xls or XLSX files directly. Okay, so let's begin with creating a right delimited spreadsheet. So what I did, I right clicked on the block diagram and then I went to the programming, and under the programming I have this file input output, and under file input output you see all of these: right delimited spreadsheet, read delimited spreadsheet, write measurement file, read measurement file, and so on. So for this lecture tutorial, I'll be using a write delimited spreadsheet. So I'll just click on this one. And if you want to know the information about this particular block, you see that it has so many terminals and each of has its own meanings. For example, this one, this is file path, the other one is 2D data, this is 1D data, and append to file, and then error. So all of these transpose and delimiter, and then error out. So all these has some meaning. So if you want to like, this is really small right now, so what we can do, we can use this feature. If you go to the help and then click on the show context help, and then when you click on the block, it will tell you what that block means. So you can see here it says write delimited spreadsheet, and each of its terminal has been explained over here. You can see this is for the format, what type of format you want to put in. So there are many different formats you can put. If you get in detail, you'll get to know. So format, when I said, for example, if I want to insert a number with 3-point decimal, then I may be using one format. If I want to have more than 3 decimal, then I will be using something else. So that kind of information is given in detail. You can read that, and then all of these are options you can read out. If you go into detail help, this will tell you. In this tutorial, I'm going to use this 2D data, and I'll be creating an array. So what I'll do, I'll just click on 2D data on this block. So let's go back to this block and we'll close this one. Closing this, and then you see these terminals. So I went to 2D, so where I click on the terminal point, and then it says 2D data, and then right click, and when I click press right, then I have to click on the create control. So if you click on the create control, this 2D array will be created over here. Okay, so let's put up some numbers over here. Let's say 1.234, and let's this one be 2.1234. This one be 3.1234, 4.1234, 5.1234, 6.1234, 7.1234, 8.1234, and then last 9.1234. Okay, so this is my data into the array, and I want to save this and then run it, and then save this data into a text file. So first I'm going to save this, Control S, and this is my test project, write test project, and then okay. Now next thing which I'm going to do is to run this. So when you run it, this box will appear, and then you can name the file. Let's say so this was our write test project, so write test data. Write test data is my file name, so I'll just press OK. So once you press OK, you can go to that the text file where you created. I created under the documents, LabVIEW projects, and then so this is write text. The write test data was the file which I created. So I'm going to click on this one, and then it will give you all these options. You can choose it. I'm gonna use Notepad and then press OK. So you see, this is the data I've put into the array, and the same data I've got over here. And also, if you click on this array, right click and then go to the export data to Excel, then it can also bring it up to the Excel like this. And if you want to save it, you can. If you don't want, don't save it. So this is the way how you can write the data using this writing LabVIEW data to a spreadsheet file function. That's the end of the lecture. Thank you so much for watching.